It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of a present that I got from my babe. It is in this big old box, and it's giving whoa, and that's how I feel lifting this up. But I have been eyeing this product for the longest, and I'm like super excited to get it. It's for my natural hair. It's for my hair. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put the box down and get the stuff out of, get the things out of it. But it comes with this own carrying bag. I like the color. I like the little turquoise color. Yeah. This is the carrying bag for it. And that's the box. It is as heavy as me, and it says hello beautiful. I probably should have gotten it out of the container before I started this video, because I don't want the video to be too long. But see, but what I got was I got the Revair. Ooh, aren't they fancy? Got its own little carrying stuff. But yeah, I got the Revair. My babe got it for me, and I cannot like contain myself, because I wanted this for the longest, but I'm like, ooh, that price tag, because it is not cheap. Okay, I kept looking at it. I would watch videos. So this is like supposed to be really, you know, good for your hair. It causes less heat damage when you're blowing out your hair, drying your hair out. So I am super excited that he got it for me. Thanks, babe. You know I love it. And this is more stuff that goes with it. But yeah, but you like put your hair in it, and then it will suck it in, and then it will just blow your hair out. But this one, this is the second generation. This is the first one was bulkier, and people would say it was very heavy when you're holding it, when you're doing your hair, but they made it smaller and lighter. So I cannot wait to use this. Man, even though I'm a lover of wigs, I still care for my natural hair. Yeah, so you know, I'm super excited. Thanks again, babe. I love my present, my gift, and I can't wait to use it. And I'll definitely record a video of me using it. So stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed and have your notification on, so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook at Love Your Crowns. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.
It's a bad man tonight.